boom down the river on the Ohio. The boatmen dance, the boatmen sing, the boatmen up to anything. When the boatman gets on shore, spend his cash and look for more. Dance, the boatman dance, dance, the boatman dance. Oh, dance all night to the broad daylight. Go home with the gals in the morning. Hi-ho, the boatman roll, boom down the river on the Ohio. The oyster coaches keep to the shore, fishing smacks and venture more.
I'll be talking about, this is a model 1861 Springfield. There's a lot of guys have Enfields. Cleaning these, it's basically the same. Breaking them down, it's essentially the same. Spare cone, or a spare nipple. A tompion, which is just a wooden plug that goes in the muzzle to keep dirt and rain and everything else from getting in there. And a wiper. This is kind of your main barrel cleaning.
There's no screws. It's just like a post.
If you look at an 1860 model flintlock or something,
The 42 has a screw on there as well.
If you look at the double bag knapsack, it's got two parts. It's got one side that's an envelope that's got leather straps that hold it closed, and the other side is a bag that's got these rawhide strips. The Army thinks that what you're going to do is you're going to put the stuff that the Army gives you in here, so your clothing, things like that, and all the other stuff that you need, musket supplies, things like that, would go on the other side. It's not how I end up usually doing it all the time, but it's a pretty good rule of thumb. Start with a shelter half. Everybody should have a shelter half. I always carry a spare shirt, a spare pair of drawers. This will make you feel like a new man after a day in weather like this. So bring at least one change of drawers.
What are drawers?
Extra pair.
Underpants. It's underpants.
They go on the outside.
They have a bunch extra. They're small, they're light, they don't take up any room. Spare paper, envelopes, whatever it is. There. One of the things I usually bring along these days is a hatchet. Not everybody needs one of these. I carry a hatchet. Find a pal that has a skillet or something like that. Have him carry that, and you carry a hatchet, and you can share. Keeping in mind two things that I'm carrying. I'm carrying stuff that I need for a weekend, and I'm carrying stuff that they needed for 3 years. So
Hi-ho, the boatman roll, boom down the river on the Ohio. The boatmen dance, the boatmen sing, the boatmen up to anything. When the boatman gets on shore, spend his cash and look for more. Dance, the boatman dance, dance, the boatman dance. Oh, dance all night to the broad daylight. Go home with the gals in the morning. Hi-ho, the boatman roll, boom down the river on the Ohio. The oyster boat